So here I am reading the question. Side AB and AC and a median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to side PQ and PR and a median PM of another triangle PQR. What they trying to say, that what is in given? So in given they gave us for this triangle ABC, this AB upon this PQ. AB upon PQ, and that will be equals to AC upon PR, means this AC by this PR, AC upon that PR, and median AD, means this AD and this median PM, they having ratio as equal. So here we can write that is AD upon PM. That is given to us. Then what we have to show? So our to show means to prove. What we have to prove? Our to prove is that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So first thing I would like to tell you that if we are proving this angle and this angle same, then we can write by using criteria side, angle, side, these two triangles are same. Because here they not give us this side BC or any part of this is similar. If they gave this BD equals to QM, then we can write triangle ABD and PQM similar, and from that we can write B and Q having same angle. So this triangle can be similar. But in this question they gave this side and this side, this median and this median, and AC and PQ's ratio same. They not mention about this angle too. So this will be little bit difficult for us. So here we will do some construction over here. What construction we are doing? So here I will mention some construction. So what construction we did? We will construct one point that is named as E, and we will give it name as PN. And here what we have construct? We will construct, take point E as that will become AD will be equals to DE, that we have constructed, and join this CE. Second thing we will take that, take point N as this PM will equals to that MN. And then if we are joined NR, so it will form one large triangle, and which is AEC and PNR. So now you will see that how we can prove this question too. So here first we will talk about, so here we are beginning our proof. This question will be little bit lengthy. So here we will talk about two triangles. That two triangles are, so triangle ABD and triangle CDE. So this one is triangle ABD and another triangle is CD and this E. So we are talking about these two triangles. Let us prove congruency of it. So here we will use congruency rule like that. If we are talking about this and this triangle, they having this angle as vertically opposite. As I told you, we have taken AD equals to DE by construction. So I will mention over here. And third side we want, so we will take that BD equals to DC. Means this BD will equals to this DC. So by the criteria side, angle, side, we will prove these two triangle congruent, and by CPCT we can write AB equals to C. So let us write whatever I have written over there, that I will write that side AD is equals to D. From we did, from where we did, from construction we did this. Now we will talk about angle, that is ADB. So angle ADB, that will be equals to EDC. So angle EDC, vertically opposite angle, in bracket I am writing. Now I am that's why it will divide it into two equal parts. But if we are talking about these two triangles, we are not talking about this. Right now we are talking about these two triangles. So by the criteria of side angle side, which two triangle will be equal? So triangle ADB is exactly equals to, means congruency. Here not we are writing similarity of the triangle, and we will write the criteria side angle side. By that we have written this thing. So you will ask where we will use. So I will tell you somewhere over here. Here I want to what? So here by CPCT we will write AB is equals to this CE. And how we wrote? By using CPCT, and this is the rule of 9th standard. So here you can see AB that we will replace by this CE. As well as we have to do process for PQ also. Means for second figure we have to talk about PQ equals to NR. So again the same process we will do for that figure too. So here I am writing that in triangle, so we are talking about which triangle? So I will write PQM, and another triangle is triangle NMR. So let us write it also in center. We will write M and Q. Here again we will show the similarity and congruency of this triangle. So again, as I told you, this is the, we have taken in construction that PM equals to Mn. So we will write PM equals to Mn, and how we wrote? So here in construction I have mentioned, so in bracket I will write construction. By construction we have taken that. As I told you, we not need this triangle, we are talking about these two triangles. So angle M is vertically opposite, but its name is PMQ, and that will be equals to NMR. So angle NMR, and in bracket I will write vertically opposite angle. So I have mentioned VOA. Then again I will write that QM, this QM is exactly equals to this MR. So how we have written this? So as I told you, PM is a median, and it is not intersecting this QR at 90, but it is median, so it will divide in two equal parts. So we can write this from construction, or you can write that PM is median on that QR. So we can write this. So from that what we have proved? What we have proved? Triangle. Therefore we have proved triangle PMQ is congruent to which triangle? So that is NMNR. So here, and which criteria? By side angle side we have used this. Now from its CPCT we will write this PQ and this NR same. So here I will mention that this PQ is exactly equals to that NR, and in bracket I will write by CP, C and P. So from CPCT we have used, so I will give it name as 1 and this one as 2. Now wherever is this one is useful, we will use, means here you can see AB upon PQ. So on the place of AB we will write this CE, and on the place of PQ we will write NR. So now as you can see over here we got two conditions. Now we will substitute that value in our given. So let me write that given. What is given to us? So they gave us that AB by PQ, and that will be equals to that AC by that PR, and that will be equals to AD by PM. How we wrote? Because in beginning they gave these three sides ratio as same, but we don't want. We want to prove that this angle A and this angle P should be similar, then only this triangle will be similar by using side angle side. So here what we will do, so let us replace whatever we got in equation 1. So here on the place of AB let me write that is CE, and here we got PQ is equals to NR, so let me write it as NR, and here is AC upon PR, and that is equals to AD upon PM. Now we will think about that how we can use. So it is like that, first we will prove one angle from it. If we are getting one angle, then we will make it whole. If we are successful in proving this part, half part, means P, R, M and C, A, D. If we are are successful in that, we can write another thing also. So let us replace something. If we are doing multiplying 2 by ourselves, so you will ask that what is the use of it. So here I will tell you, if you are writing 2 times AD, so this is also AD and this is also D. If they both are same, means 2 times AD is equals to AE. So now on the place of 2 times AD, I can write that is AE. As well as over here, if it is PM and this PM is equals to MN, that we have written from our construction. If they both are same, means 2 times PM is equals to this PM. So here I will write that is equals to that PM. So here you can see one another condition also. So now let us see over here, where is that CE? So CE is over here. Let me rub all these things so it will be clear for you, because it is earlier we have denoted all these things. So let me make one another clear figure so it will be helpful to you. So now here this is the fresh new figure. We are talking about CE and this NR, and we having this AC and the ratio of this PR, and we having this whole AE and this whole PN. It means we are talking about this triangle. So therefore, if their ratios of 3 sides is same, we can write which triangle are similar. To triangle AEC will be similar to triangle PNR, because here we have proved this side and this side also same, and earlier we have this part only, not this. So we add it and make it whole and we prove this triangle. So right now we can write, if triangle AE is similar to triangle PNR, so its rest part will be also similar, means this angle and this angle, this E and N, and this whole C and this whole R will be same. But we need this angle, so let me write. So from this we can write. So from which criteria we have used this? By side. So let us mention. But here from CPCD we can write that is CAE, angle CAE is exactly equal. Because we are talking about angle, so we can use equals to sign. But if we are using talking about triangle, we will use similarity symbol. PRN. So let us write P will be in center. So let us give it name as RPN. So RPN. This whole thing again we have to prove for this angle BAE and QPN. But we are not writing all these things for them. We are not joining anything over here. Else we have to join this BE, and again we have to do process for ABE triangle and PQN triangle. But here I will mention similarly for triangle ABE and triangle PQN. But only I will mention the angle, that is BAE. So here we can write angle BAE, and that will be equals to QPN. So angle QPN. Let us give it name, some name we will give. Let us give it as 3 and this one as 4. Now what we will do? Adding 3 and 4, adding equation number 3 and 4. What we are getting? Let us CAE plus angle BAE, and that will be equals to angle RPN plus angle QPN. So here watch it in figure. CANE and BAE are adding, and it will make as angle BAC. So here we will write BAC, and here as you can see, if RPN, this N and this QPN are adding, and it will make this whole angle, and that is QPR. So angle QP, and that is R. So here as I told you, we not need these all things. We wanted only that if we prove this angle and this angle same, we can write these two triangles similar. So how we can write? As you know, they gave us the ratio as, so they gave us ratio as, let me write over here. So what ratio they have given? So here I will write, they gave ratio as if AB by this PQ and that is equals to this AC by that PR, and we having one angle, that is angle BAC, and that is equals to QPR. And how we wrote this from? This is from given, and let us give it name as equation number 5. So from 5, so from given an equation 5, we can write triangle ABC. That will be similar to triangle PQ and R. And by using which criteria? The two sides we having and adjacent that angle we having. So by using side angle side we having this. So this is the end of question, and this was a really very lengthy question. And to do all these things you have to be careful. First you have to do some construction, add this whole figure, and you have to talk about that two large figure. Then you are proving this angle and this angle. Similarly you will extend this figure, and this figure you will prove this angle. And this is whole thing was for this angle A and P. To prove angle A and P we did whole this thing, and then we are adding these two angles, we will make that whole large angle. Then we are talking about this side and this side along with this angle and this side's ratio, and then we have proved by side angle side. And for last part you not have to write this, earlier you will write this. For that you have to write last answer as here. So this is the end of